Welcome to a closer look at our updates with our PowerPoint AI lesson generator. Again, as the name suggests, this one is a lesson generator. So from scratch, I'm going to take our learning intention, our themes, and our context and use that to build a lesson sequence. And I say sequence on purpose because one of the updates to this tool is around our duration. We are building lesson plans into the format of a ready to teach PowerPoint, or at least the skeleton of the PowerPoint for you to take ownership and make your own changes. For this example, I had chosen 3 lessons, and each lesson is going to run for about 50 minutes. And there's no additional needs and student differentiation I need. I've added in some curriculum links and the general learning intention here, adding some real authentic things around what I want students to learn and what are some of the type of demonstrated proficiencies I'd like them. I ran the tool and it ran for a couple of minutes, and I've got my download here, which we'll take a closer look at now. This specific lesson sequence was looking at rocks, the rock cycle, and the characteristics of rocks, and also classification of rocks as well. So, great start. We got a great title, and we're moving into our learning objectives that we would talk around with the students and a success criteria for this lesson, jumping into a hook and then into our scaffold, following the ideation of a mix between the gradual release and the explicit instruction model for lesson delivery. We're also embedding literacy into some of these activities as well to be able to making sure that we're having a nice, well-rounded lesson with different variety of engaging activities. You'll notice that on the next slide here that it is blank. It's not all of them come with a picture because that is an indication that there needs to be some modifications and it's a task style, but we're also giving you each of your images up in the top right corner. These are designed for you to take ownership of these lessons and using the designer function within PowerPoint. So you can make your own changes. All the way down the bottom, you also get some backup activities and some video resources. You can swap out the suggested video that is around that has been given and embedded within this lesson. A super simple tool, and it will be great to be able to develop these PowerPoints nice and quick and then allow you to take ownership, ready to deliver. I hope you enjoy the updates.